Hi preschoolers, it's Miss Emily. I miss you all so much, but I hope you're having a lot of fun with your families at home and get some time to play outside because it's starting to get warm. When it gets warm outside, there might be more animals outside, like squirrels and some birds. So today, I think we're going to make a bird feeder that you can make at home to maybe bring some more birds so you can see a lot more birds in your backyards. You need a toilet paper roll or a paper towel roll, some string to hang it up, some peanut butter, nuts like peanuts, sunflower seeds, any kind of dried fruit. I use raisins and dried cranberries. Then you can use things like cereal. I have some Cheerios and some Life. If you don't have these things, you can use things like sunflower seeds, chips will work, or you can try new things and see what the birds like and what they'll eat. So first, you take your toilet paper roll and you punch holes in it. I didn't have a hole puncher, so I got scissors and cut holes in it. You might need an adult's help with that part just to be safe. You take your long string and feed it through the holes so we can hang it up when we're all done outside. There you go. I'm going to tie it in a knot so we can hang it up. There we go. First thing you do is you take your peanut butter, and you spread it all over the outside of your toilet paper roll so all the ingredients for the bird feed can stick to the roll. All right, so now that we have our roll covered in some nice sticky peanut butter so the ingredients can all stick, you're gonna take all your ingredients. I put them on here and mix them up so you can get a nice mashup of different ingredients on all sides. I cut up the peanuts and the dried fruit so the birds could eat it. Again, you might need an adult's help with that just so you can be safe. Then you just take the sticky peanut butter and roll it in all the ingredients. See, it sticks right on there. And then you have some yummy bird food for all the birds and maybe squirrels and other animals in your backyards. You can take that and hang it up in a tree or anywhere that you find with your moms and dads so you can feed the birds. It helps if you put it by a window so you can watch and see what different kind of birds you see. At my house, I see a lot of brown birds, but there's also sometimes red birds or blue birds, or even sometimes we get yellow birds. So that might be fun to see all the birds and watch them eat the treat you made them. Hope you have fun making it.